Yes, my people, today I'm going to show you how to do the spinning background effect. Open After Effects, Command D to duplicate. We're going to scroll up, we're going to click our layer and we're going to hit our rotor brush tool. Obviously, if you don't know how to rotor brush, I'm going to put a tutorial on it for you guys to go over. Once you've rotor brushed your subject, press the freeze frame and then boom, there you go. Make sure you turn your bottom layer on so you can see the background. You need to then go to Effects, type in Motion Tile and drag that on your bottom layer. Go straight to your effects panel and we're going to do the output width to 300 and the output height to 300 and select mirror edges. So what you need to do then is position the clip where you want to start this effect. Click your bottom layer, effects, transform, and then we're going to press the stopwatch key for our rotation, and we're going to find the point where we want to rotate it, and then we're going to select 1 on our stopwatch, press enter, there you go. To make this transition smooth, you're going to go to your graph tool. Okay, you can see the icon just here and hit the graph. And yeah, we're then going to adjust our curves on the speed and make it into an S shape, okay, so that the rotation spin is very smooth. Pull it out, there you go, there's our S shape. See how smooth it is? Now last thing I want to add to this is motion blur, so we're going to click our motion blur. If you want to adjust your motion blur, composition settings, advanced, and then obviously as you can see here with your shutter angle, if you change it to 360 gives you more motion blur, but I'm going to keep it on 180. And yeah guys, this is how you do the motion blur effect. If you've liked what you've seen guys, please like, comment and subscribe. Have a blessed day my people.